Welcome back to Math Unlocked. This is episode 7 of our complete algebra series. In episode 6, we solved quadratic equations by factorizing, but what happens when factorizing doesn't work? That's where the quadratic formula comes in. It works for every quadratic equation, no matter how ugly the numbers are. Chapter 1, the formula. For any quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The solutions are given by this formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Memorize this. It is one of the most important formulas in all of mathematics. Chapter 2, the discriminant. The expression inside the square root, b squared minus 4ac, is called the discriminant. It tells you how many solutions the equation has before you even solve it. Chapter 3, using the formula. Let's use it on x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Here, a is equals to 1, b equals 5, and c equals 6. Substitute these values into the formula. This gives us negative 2 and negative 3, the same answers we got by factorizing, but now we are using the formula. Now let's try one that can't be factorized. X squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 1. The discriminant, 16 minus 4 equals 12. This gives us irrational numbers. You can't get them by factorizing. Chapter 4, when the discriminant is 0. 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals 0. The discriminant, 16 minus 16, which equals 0. One repeated solution, x equals 1. In this one, the parabola just touches the x-axis at one point. Chapter 5, when the discriminant is negative. X squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. The discriminant is 4 minus 20, which equals negative 16. Negative under the square root. This gives no real solutions. In this one, the parabola never crosses the x-axis. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Forgetting the plus or minus. Always write both solutions. Mistake 2. Wrong sign for b. It is negative b in the formula, not b. Mistake 3. Dividing only part of the numerator by 2a. The entire numerator negative b plus or minus root discriminant must be divided by 2a. That's it for episode 7. This is a summary of what we have learned today. Always simplify your answers if possible. That's it for episode 7. In episode 8, we tackle simultaneous equations, solving two equations at the same time. Subscribe and follow Math Unlocked.